PeePower toilet is a standalone toilet which receives the human urine as the fuel, and through the help of bacteria, that urine is broken down into its individual components, which are then taken up by the microbes for their growth and maintenance. And as part of their respiration, just like our respiration, we produce byproducts. Those microbes produce electricity as a byproduct. We collect that electricity and use it to power the lights directly.
The field trial in Kusoro was our first developing country field trial, so that was really exciting. It was installed in July 2017. And it went really well. The team were brilliant. They've installed it and it has been operational for more than a year now. We've had repeat visits to go and check it and do some minor maintenance, and we're learning from that in the field. So that was one of the key objectives, was to learn how these systems perform over the long term, how people in the field react to them, whether they're working well and providing a useful service. And it seems that they are, so that's great.
We got this light, the PeePower, in the toilets. Actually, it has solved so many problems. The girls used to fear to go to the latrines at night, and also used to get strangers getting to school. But ever since we got this power, we have not had that problem again. So it has, excited them, and they are no longer scared. They can freely go to the latrines at night, but they're not scared at all. And those strangers no longer come in school.
After Kusoro, we sat down, had some meetings, and made quite a few changes to reduce the footprint of the stack and to improve the electronics and how it interacts with the user. So with those lessons that we learned, we went to Nairobi and we've installed kind of like a second iteration. So it's a bit smoother and a bit slicker and generally just all round improved.
As an institution that is concentrating on offering services to the needy and the poor, I think our major focus should be on the basic needs. Without the PeePower, then it means that we have to spend a lot of money in terms of paying electricity bills and all that. But with the PeePower, that means that we will have to cut down the bills that are being paid when it comes to electricity. So it will be a massive project for us.
We will see microbial fuel cells deployed everywhere in the world, not just where it's most needed because it's non-sewered or they are remote locations with no power grid, but even in the developed world, in the Western world, because as a technology, it can serve the purpose of cleaning the environment and returning energy back to the user.